Better roll me like can. Better roll me like yo.
What these capping for? That don't go back and forth. Might just jack your block white like Asher Raw. Acting hard, we know you saw. That don't act.
Hey AK Squad. I'm so proud of myself today. So what we have going on here is an unboxing of my iPhone XR. It is in blue. It's two extra things in here. I have a case and a screen protector. And yeah, I'm not finna talk your heads off because I really want to get this phone out of here. So like I said earlier when I went recording, they did not have none of this stuff secured on the bottom of the box whatsoever. Ooh, they got the little bubbly thingies. Aw. That was whack. So, see, I have the iPhone XR. Oh, it's really dark in here. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me try to burn. Oh, this makes it darker. Sorry for the lighting. I'll bring it in different lighting in my montage. I'm gonna do my montage. So here's the phone in 64 gigabytes. I have the waterfall case. It's in gold. And I have a screen protector. This did not look. Who puts a picture of a phone that's not the phone that you have? What is that? So I'm currently on the phone. I have the iPhone S Plus. I'm on the phone with my friend. Say hi. Yeah. If you was a loyal subscriber, you seen her in my 15th birthday. Yeah. But I deleted every video that I had up there because I thought it was cringy. Okay, I actually never got a chance to open this to myself because I always usually get a phone at the store and they always be like, well, we have to open it, you know. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to it. Gotta get quietness. Ready? Guys, so on my last camera with my grandmother's phone, I was using had ran out of storage, so I could kind of replay that for you. I could yeah, it kind of makes me feel a little better. So this is the phone. Well, I gotta go get my iPad and call my friend back because she really wants to be in this video, so I'll be right back. So it is a little lower, so you could tell by the iPhone. It's blue. Like I said, it's bad lighting in here, so I will do a montage. I got another thing for y'all. I know my phone is not going to run out of space because I have 200 gigabytes on my phone. And on this phone, it has 64. And that phone had 16, but I upgraded it because it was too low. So when you first open the box, you get this. Now, I had a 6. I never experienced having this at the top. You see? So when you take out, oh my god, look at the phone. Oh my god. So get this. Don't nobody use this. Everybody love the stickers. Don't nobody care. Goodbye. So here's the phone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pick up my phone and show y'all. Here's the phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. You wanna see the phone? Okay.
I'm hit.
I don't have you showing. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow. What you get in all of them is this whack little brick, 8 watts. Who used that? I have my old iPad brick. which is 16 watts, so it charges a little faster. So don't nobody use this. It never had these before. Sad, because my aunt has the 8 and she got the adapter. What is it? The dongle? I think that's what people call them, dongles. And they don't come with it. So these are not AirPods at all. There are things with this on it. And the charger. So by me already have a lot of iPhone chargers. I'm not going to use that charger at all. So let's put this stuff back because I know y'all only came here to look at the phone. So put that to the side. Alright. Oh my Jesus. Look, this phone is heavy. Okay. So let me put my phone down before I can get this stuff ready. Alright, so once I take the wrapper off, I'm going to put this screen protector on it. And no, I'm not sponsored by any of these places at all. Oh, they got a cleaning kit. Look at there.
Talk to her.
Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. So they're upgrading. I think I'm going to do this off camera. Yeah, I'm going to do this off camera. But I'm about to open this so y'all can hear this because I know y'all love this also. So, move this stuff out the way. You ready? Oh, I don't want to take this off. Oh my God. Alright, here's the front camera. Okay, I'm back. I put the screen protector on the phone and I put the case up there because I'm very, very, very scared that I'm going to accidentally drop it or some type stuff like that. So I'm going to cut the phone on and set it up. I probably won't be able to set it up while showing y'all because it's probably going to ask for my SIM card. So we're going to see what happens. I slide up. English, United States, quick start, set up manually. Because I don't want my phone, I wanted to set this up as a new phone. So yeah, I'll be right back. It's going to ask for the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So I'll see y'all when I'm done setting this up. Okay, I do have the Wi-Fi on. Let's click next. I actually like this phone. I really do. It's not the biggest distraction of the bezels, because the bezels are really huge, as I see by people saying. But that doesn't really bother me as much. It really don't. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID, continue. Oh wait, y'all not gonna see my face, so I'll see y'all when I'm done with this. So yeah, now I'm at a create a password part. Honestly don't want a password, but I guess I have to put one, so let me. Alright, now it's asking me for my apps and data. So I'm going to set it up as a new iPhone, and it's going to ask me for my Apple ID. And this is just the terms and the conditions. Agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So overall, I like this phone. I have had the iPhone 6s Plus for a minute. I mean, a good old minute. And I've been asking for an upgrade for the longest. And I'm glad I actually didn't get no 8 or 7. Because, to be honest, I think the X is better than the previous phones that came out. Not even gonna lie. Now, this phone costs $749 if I'm not mistaken. But it goes up to $800 for this phone. Now, this phone is basically an 8 with an X features. I will spend $800 on this phone, then $1,900 some dollars for the XS Max. It's literally almost the same size, and it doesn't feel any different. Continue. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. Now, what concerns me is this big camera, and I really want to see this camera. So, yeah, I will do a review on this phone 2 weeks later. Apple Pay, set up later. Because my phone does, I mean, not my phone, my watch does not. My watch? Wow, can't talk. My card doesn't connect to this for what? I don't know. I don't use key. Screen time, continue. App analysis. Alright, so this is the thing I have been seeing. True tone display. It turns blue, then it turns regular. I don't know if I want the true tone. I like the true tone, to be honest. Display standard or zoom? I go standard, zoom. Oh, let's stick with standard. Go home. Oh, now it's teaching me how to do things. I actually need this because I never. Okay. Ask Siri. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up. Wow. Look at that, yeah. That's really pretty. Use this device when sharing your location. Use. So, this is the phone. I actually like the background. This is really... Oh, you see that blinking? I actually know what that means now. Those are the things that's losing the search. See? It's looking for my face. It's looking for my face, and it cannot detect it because the phone is in my face. So, this is the end of this video. I actually like this phone so far. And I'll do a review or techniques or whatever in my next videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so this is after the whole video. If you were a loyal subscriber, you have known that I have had a different intro than the intro I have now. I actually kind of like the intro that I have now because it's more me. It was like this few months I had made those videos, so it's like me personally, like it's me now. So decided to make a new intro, and I'm recording off my old phone. I'm gonna make my old phone my camera, and guys, we're gonna have some content coming up for this. I love it by far, and it unlocked my face like so fast. I don't understand, but this phone is amazing so far, and I have no problems with it at all. Just want to say a little quick announcement that I am going to start making videos, well, posting videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Excuse the coffee in the back. My grandma has a little cold. If you hear my background, I am watching Poised. I love doing gaming. So, yeah. My video will contain, my channel will contain different kind of content because that's why I deleted all my videos. I should never have. My YouTube is going to be containing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, like unboxing, lookbooks, gaming, anything that y'all want me to see. So, I have seen my sub count. I have lost 2 subscribers, which I'm not mad at y'all for leaving, but I promise I'm going to come, what is that word I'm looking for? Consistent. I'm going to be consistent with posting my videos, I promise. So, I will see you guys later. Love you, AK Squad. Bye. Mwah.